Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing the unboxing and review of the Asus Marshmallow mouse. I like Bluetooth mouse and this is one more mouse to my collection. You can see my other Bluetooth mouse videos on my channel as well. This mouse cost me 1299 rupees in the recently concluded Great Indian Festival sale. The actual price of the mouse will be hovering around 1400-1500 rupees. Inside the box, you get the mouse, some paperwork and also this replacement top cover in light blue color. The color of the mouse that I have got is the dark blue one. There are a few more other colors like lilac purple, grey, beige, etc. This is a dual mode mouse which can work with both Bluetooth and wireless adapter as well. I went with this blue color because it matches my MacBook Air M2 which is also in blue. You can easily remove the top cover in order to access the internals like the battery and the adapter. The adapter can be inserted into the USB Type-A port of your laptops, or you can even use the Bluetooth mode like how I am going to do it. This mouse helps you to add vibrancy to your desk setup. You can match it with your dark laptop like how I did, or you can replace it with a lighter top cover if you have a light colored laptop. These top covers also include Asus antimicrobial guard treatment to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria during the usage of mice. Behind the mouse is this button to switch between wireless mode or Bluetooth mode. When you are setting up the mouse for the first time, you need to open the top cover and the battery will actually be present in the reverse direction. You need to put it in the right direction for the setup to initiate and the mouse to power on. That will be deliberately made by the manufacturers to prevent the device from accidentally activating during shipping and also saves battery life. Connecting the mouse to the laptop or tablets or any other device in Bluetooth mode or in adapter mode is extremely simple. As I am showing the Bluetooth mode connection, you need to just turn on the Bluetooth mode behind the mouse and automatically in your laptop or tablet, the mouse will start to show. Just click on the connect button that is present next to it and you can directly start using the mouse. That's it. It is very simple. And additionally, what I also do is I do certain customizations to my preference, like changing the name of the mouse, setting the accurate levels of scrolling direction, secondary click options, double clicking speed, scrolling speed, so on and so forth. These settings will be present on both Windows and Mac devices or even in tablets, and these are dependent on your preference. If you need, you can do it, or otherwise you can directly skip it. And also these settings you can set it to how much ever you like it. This mouse is really silent and durable. The switches used in this one are engineered for 10 million click lifespan, providing 3 times the longevity of traditional office mice. The low noise switch design keeps the mouse clicks below 20 decibels, so you can use it in quiet environments like a library or during night times or around infants as well. This mouse offers easily adjustable DPI levels for varying degrees of precision, plus 100% PTFE mouse feet for a smooth glide on any flat surface without causing any fatigue to your hands, even in longer duration. I have been using it for almost a month now and I have loved it. This is an actually ultra slim mouse at just 3 centimeters, weighs just 56 grams and has this cool strap which you can use to carry it around just with a finger. Its lightweight, flat structured body allows you to carry it in any pockets or bags. I often carry this mouse in my pocket when I am juggling between meeting rooms during my work hours. This mouse has a gaming grade mouse feet which ensures smooth glide over any surface. Plus, you can adjust the DPI sensitivity controls between 800, 1000, 1600 DPI as well to suit different scenarios. Although you can use it for casual time pass kind of gaming, but I would not recommend it for hardcore esport level gaming. For gaming, still a wired mouse will be a good choice in my opinion. Since I use it for business, office light coding and editing purposes, this is a good choice for me and I went ahead with this one. All in all, I have really enjoyed using this mouse and I recommend it to anyone who is looking for a lightweight, good budget Bluetooth plus wireless mouse. I have even covered the Logitech Pebble, which I also use with my other laptop, and few other mouse in my previous videos. Do check it out from our channel. That's it for this video guys. If you guys have liked it, hit the like button, comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.